children, how are you all? So today we have come to the last day of this week. So today we are going to learn Hindi letters. Okay, so two letters we are going to practice, that is Sh and Gya. Okay, so Shra and Gya. Okay, so today we will learn what all the words are there in these two letters and how to trace it and how to write it. Okay, and in EVS we have sticker activity worksheet. Okay, so we have to segregate the fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. So you all know what is fruits and what is vegetable and what is grains and what is pulses. Is it not? We have learnt already. So you have to identify the picture from the stickers and you have to paste it in a suitable place. Okay children, so enjoy nicely, finish your worksheets, weekend worksheets and enjoy your 2-day holidays. Okay. So today in Hindi we are going to learn two letters. Okay. First one is Shra. What is this? This is Shra. Shra, Shramik. Shra, Shramik. Shramik means labor. Labor means the person who works. Okay, who works daily for daily wages. Okay, a labor is a person who works for the daily wages. Okay, Shra, Shra, Shramik. Shra, Shramik. Shramik means labor. Okay, and what is this? Gya. Okay, Gya, Gya, Yagya. Yagya means fire sacrifice. Yagya. What is this? Gya, 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 Yagya. Yagya means fire sacrifice. Okay children, and next we will practice how to write these two letters, that is Shra and Gya. Okay, and Shra you have to write like this. Okay, you have to start from here. Okay, like this, and then standing line and sleeping line. Okay, this standing line and sleeping line you have to draw, you have to write at the end. Okay, before that you have to write in this way. Without lifting your hands, you have to write this. Okay, Shra. So from here you have to start standing line and sleeping line. Okay, so from here you have to start Shra. Say loudly while writing. Okay, Shra. Shra. Okay, next is Gya. Okay, so Gya also from here you have to start. It is very easy to write. Okay children, and standing line and finally sleeping line. So from here you have to start. Standing line and sleeping line. Okay, so from here you have to start. Standing line and sleeping line. Okay, from here you have to start. Say loudly Gya, Yagya. What is this letter? Yagya, Gya. This letter is Gya. Gya, Yagya. Yagya means fire sacrifice. Okay children, write neatly and slowly. Okay. So today in our EVS class, we are going to segregate fruits, vegetables and pulses, grains. Okay. So now see, I have cut all these pictures from the sticker sheet. Okay. So and kept here. So one by one I am going to paste it here. And first I am choosing this picture. What is this? This is peas. Okay. So this is comes under pulses and grains. What is this? This is pulses and grains. Is it not? So I am going to paste it here. Okay. Under pulses and grains. Okay, children. So I pasted here pulses and grains. So this is chickpeas and this comes under pulses and grains. What is this? This is a pulse, is it not? And next one I am picking this. What is this? This is what is this? This is ladyfinger. So this is a vegetable. So vegetable, I have to paste it here. So I am going to paste this vegetable under the vegetable category. Okay, so I am going to paste it here. And next, this is, what is this? This is tomato. So tomato is also a vegetable. So I have to paste it here. And tomato is a vegetable, is it not? So this tomato is used for cooking, is it not? So I am going to paste this here under vegetables. And next I am choosing this pineapple. What is this? This is pineapple. And pineapple is a fruit. So I have to paste it here under the fruit category, is it not? So I am pasting the fruits here. Okay. And next one is, what is this? This is green gram. And what is a green gram? It is a grain. Is it not? Grains. It will come under this grains and pulses. So I have to paste this here. Is it not? So this is a green gram. So I am going to paste this green gram here. And what is the next picture? This is a brinjal. Is it not? Brinjal is a vegetable. Okay. So I am going to paste it here. So brinjal is a vegetable. So I am going to paste it here. Okay. And next picture is rice. Okay. What is this? Rice. Rice comes under pulses and grains. Is it not? Here I have to paste it here. And so I am pasting this rice here. And next picture is, what is this? This is apple. Apple is a fruit. Okay. So I am pasting this apple here. Okay. Apple is a fruit. And the next one, what is this? Mango. Mango is also a fruit. So I have to paste it here. And this is a mango. And so let us revise once again. What are the fruits? First one is pineapple, second one is apple, and third one is mango. And next is vegetables. Okay, V for vegetables, F for fruits and P for pulses. Okay, and V for vegetables. What all the vegetables are there? Ladyfinger, tomato and brinjal. Okay. And what is the pulses? What are the pulses and grains here? This is a chickpea and this is green gram. And what is this? This is rice. And these comes under pulses and grains. Okay, children, do it nicely and slowly. Okay.